Well, which of one is the correct way to declare an array in Java? Is this Java use new int5 to create an array, square brackets follow the data type, which would be the output of the following code. 3. Because arrays in Java follow zero-based indexing, so array 2 refers to its third element, which is 3, which holds the default value of an integer array. What's the default value there? 0. Numeric arrays in Java initialize to 0 by default. Which of the following is used to determine the length of an array in Java? Array length. Array length without parentheses return the number of elements in an array. What is the time complexity for accessing an element in an array by index? So accessing elements by index in an array takes constant time. Which of the following creates an array of 5 integers? That, because integer array, square brackets create, an array, except the method for erasing the new integer of 5 creates the values for the 5 integer arrays. Then how to access the third element of an arrange array by 2, because remember, when you're counting elements you start from 0. How many rows and columns are in a 2D array integer? So 3 rows and then 4 columns. As you can see in the square brackets, 3 then 4. Which of the these best defines a multi-dimensional array in Java? So that 2 square brackets and then integer square bracket array square bracket, both A and B. Thank you very much. Take care. God bless. Thank you. You're blessed.